Hello, Facebook and YouTubers. As you know, I've been working on the puzzle lock knife for some time now. This is the original one. Puzzle lock knife by DRT Blades. And then this is the next generation puzzle lock knife. It's a Tanto blade. The blade is D2 steel, titanium thumb pull, 4/16 pin. 17/4 handle and titanium scales. Not much of a scale. Very light knife. This is what it looks like open. Got some chamfering on top there. This one actually sold to a gentleman in New York who liked this knife and he wanted to buy it. So here you go. The Tanto blade by DRT Blades. And then of course the original.